This is LeetCode question number 389, random pick index. This is medium level question. Let's get into it. Given an array of integers with possible duplicate, randomly output the index of a given target number. You can assume that the given target number must exist in the array. The array size can be very large. Solution that use too much extra space will not pass judge. Okay, let's check with the example 1. Nums are given 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. 1, 1, index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next, pick 3 should be returning either index 2, 3, 4 because 3 we have 3, 3. So each index should have equal probability. This is very important of returning. Okay, let's how we can solve it. Do you have any idea? If without the equal probability, maybe we can easy to solve it, because when we implement pick method, we just use random. That's all. But in this case, we need it to be equal probability. So my solution is I will use two methods. One is store original data from nums, and then second is I will copy same as random, same as origin one, and then I will shuffle the each value. Value is consist of index, and then I will provide it with the pick method, and then I will pop one by one because it needed to be equal probability. So after finish it, I will fill. If that key's value is empty, I will refill from origin value and then shuffle it. Is it making sense? Okay. Okay, let's implement it. So now we have two map. One is origin. I will use collections default map, default dict, and then initial is list, because we need to input index of nums, and then I will use copy remind collections default dict list. And then now I will fill both map for I in range length nums, because we needed to use index. So first origin, I put origin, and map is nums I, and then I will use append index, and then I will use remain 2. Now we fill the two map, and then it's time to shuffle remind. 4 values in I will get from reminding, remind and values, and I will shuffle use random shuffle values. And then if the case, if value is only 1, like the 1 and 2, in this case, do we need to shuffle? No need, because we will save the CPU cost. If len values is above 1 only, in this case we will random shuffle. Or if this is only 1, I will continue. No need, because we don't need to shuffle. I think this is the better readability than previous one. And then I will use origin and remind at the pick method, so I will attach self. Origin remind. Okay, now I think now we ready to implement pick method. first, okay, if target is 1 or 2, do we need to pop from remaining and then after finish it, you need to refill? No need. So first I will check the size of how many index has the target. So if self origin target length is 1, I just return self origin target first index, because there is only one index for this target. And then next it I will pop. Before popping, I will check empty first. If self remain maps value is empty, we need to refill from original value. So for I in range length self origin target, we will get indexes from here, and I will refill remain I, and then after finish it, I will shuffle it with random target, and then I return remaining target pop. Okay, let's check the code syntax. Okay, I will fix typo and then check another for if other has colon. Okay. There is one more typo. I forgot the self. Okay, that's good. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's check code one more time. Self origin append remain append value shuffle. Okay, and then target is 1, my target is 1, range self origin target, shuffle in my target pop. Sorry, this is la range. Just get from self origin target, right? Because the length is not important. We just direct get from the self dot origin target, right? Okay, looks good. Okay, let's check with complexity in the initialized stage, and then there are the linear iteration for the put to the map from nums item. It take n, and then okay, let's check with peak. Peak also use iteration when item is refilled, but at that time time complexity is maximum length of maps values, because in this case the 3 is max because only 3 is 3, so when repeat 3 it take 1, 2, 3. This is max. And then finally linear plus linear and the maximum size of values. So in this case we can say time complexity is linear time, and then space complex also linear time because we use the map. Thank you.